Hello and welcome. Daily use sentences. Number 12. I can't help thanking you. I can't help thanking you. मैं तुम्हें धन्यवाद दिए बिना नहीं रह सकता. मैं तुम्हें धन्यवाद दिए बिना नहीं रह सकता. So here मैं is I, तुम्हें is you, धन्यवाद is thank you, दिए बिना is without giving, नहीं रह सकता is cannot live, but here it gives the meaning of cannot help. Okay, now this sentence literally translates to I cannot live without saying thank you to you. Okay, she can't help admiring his acting. She can't help admiring his acting. वह उसके अभिनय की तारीफ किए बिना नहीं रह सकती. वह उसके अभिनय की तारीफ किए बिना नहीं रह सकती. वह is she, उसके is his, अभिनय is acting, तारीफ is praise, here it means admiring, किए बिना without doing, नहीं रह सकती is cannot live. Okay, this sentence translates to she cannot live without praising his acting. Okay, next, you can't help buying this ornamental piece. You can't help buying this ornamental piece. तुम इस सजावट के सामान को खरीदे बिना नहीं रह सकते. तुम इस सजावट के सामान को खरीदे बिना नहीं रह सकते. Okay, here तुम is you, is this, सजावट is decoration, सामान is thing. So saman along with K along with sajavat gives the meaning of thing of decoration or piece of decoration, and this here means ornamental piece. Okay, सजावट के सामान ornamental piece को okay खरीदे बिना without buying नहीं रह सकते cannot live. So this sentence translates to you cannot live without buying this piece of decoration. Okay, next, Ravi can't help inviting his colleagues. Ravi can't help inviting his colleagues. रवि अपने सहयोगियों को आमंत्रित किए बिना नहीं रह सकता. रवि अपने सहयोगियों को आमंत्रित किए बिना नहीं रह सकता. रवि is रवि, अपने is his, सहयोगियों is colleagues, को कारक, आमंत्रित किए बिना without inviting, आमंत्रित करना is inviting, आमंत्रित किए बिना without inviting, नहीं रह सकता cannot live. So this sentence translates to Ravi cannot live without inviting his colleagues. Okay, next, my mother can't help doing something for them. My mother can't help doing something for them. मेरी माँ उनके लिए कुछ किए बिना नहीं रह सकती. मेरी माँ उनके लिए कुछ किए बिना नहीं रह सकती. मेरी माई मदर माँ उनके लिए is for them, कुछ is something, किए बिना without doing, नहीं रह सकती is cannot live. Okay, so this sentence translates to literally my mother cannot live without doing something for them. Okay? I can't help feeling sorry for that poor man. I can't help feeling sorry for that poor man. मैं उस गरीब आदमी के लिए खेद महसूस किए बिना नहीं रह सकती. मैं उस गरीब आदमी के लिए खेद महसूस किए बिना नहीं रह सकती. Here मैं is I, उस is that, गरीब is poor, आदमी is man, के लिए is for, खेद महसूस करना is feeling sorry. खेद महसूस करना is feeling sorry. But here करना has become किए बिना. So बिना is without. खेद महसूस किए बिना translates to without feeling sorry. नहीं रह सकती is cannot live. So this sentence translates to I cannot live without feeling sorry for that poor man. Okay? Next, I couldn't help laughing. I couldn't help laughing is मैं अपनी हंसी नहीं रोक सका. मैं अपनी हंसी नहीं रोक सका. मैं is I. अपनी is my. हंसी is laughter. नहीं रोक सका is could not stop. रोक, रुक is stop. रोक सका is could stop. नहीं रोक सका is could not stop. So this sentence translates to I could not stop my laughter. Okay? Next, we couldn't help scolding him. We couldn't help scolding him. हम उसे डांटे बिना नहीं रह सके. हम उसे डांटे बिना नहीं रह सके. हम is we, उसे is him, डांट is scold, डांटे बिना is without scolding, नहीं रह सके is could not live. Okay? Next, Sahana could not help giving him a call. Sahana couldn't help giving him a call. सहना उसे फोन किए बिना नहीं रह सकी. सहना उसे फोन किए बिना नहीं रह सकी. सहना is the name of the person. उसे is him. फोन कर is call. Okay, फोन कर is call. फोन किए बिना is without calling. Without calling. नहीं रह सकी is could not live. So this sentence translates to Sahana could not live without calling him. Okay. Next, they couldn't help watching that program. They couldn't help watching that program. वे उस कार्यक्रम को देखे बिना नहीं रह सके. वे उस कार्यक्रम को देखे बिना नहीं रह सके. वे is they, उस is that, कार्यक्रम is program, को is कारक, देख is watch, देखे बिना is without watching, नहीं रह सके is could not live. So this sentence translates to they could not live without watching that program. He couldn't help buying that shirt. He couldn't help buying that shirt. वह उस शर्ट को खरीदे बिना नहीं रह सका. वह उस शर्ट को खरीदे बिना नहीं रह सका. वह is he, उस is that, shirt is shirt, को is कारक, खरीद is buy, खरीदे बिना is without buying, नहीं रह सका is could not live. So this sentence translates to he could not live without buying that shirt. Next, we couldn't help yawning during the speech. We couldn't help yawning during the speech. हम भाषण के दौरान जम्हाई लिए बिना नहीं रह सके. हम भाषण के दौरान जम्हाई लिए बिना नहीं रह सके। हम इस वी, भाषण इस स्पीच, के दौरान इस ड्यूरिंग, जम्हाई लेना इस यौन। ओके, जम्हाई लिए बिना इस विदाउट yawning, नहीं रह सके is could not live. So this sentence translates to we could not live without yawning during the speech. Okay, next, should I give my name? क्या मुझे अपना नाम देना चाहिए? क्या मुझे अपना नाम देना चाहिए? क्या in the beginning makes this a question. मुझे is I, अपना is my, नाम is name, देना is give, चाहिए is should. Should we change our dress? क्या हमें अपनी पोशाक बदलनी चाहिए? क्या हमें अपनी पोशाक बदलनी चाहिए? क्या in the beginning makes this a question. हमें is we, अपनी is our, पोशाक is dress, बदलनी is change, चाहिए is should. Should he send you his account number? क्या उसे आपको अपना खाता नंबर भेजना चाहिए? क्या उसे आपको अपना खाता नंबर भेजना चाहिए? क्या in the beginning makes this a question. उसे is he, आपको is to you, अपना is his, खाता is account, number is number, भेजना is send, चाहिए is should. Should we buy this TV? क्या हमें यह टीवी खरीदना चाहिए? क्या हमें यह टीवी खरीदना चाहिए? क्या in the beginning question. हमें is we, यह is this, टीवी is टीवी, खरीदना is buy, चाहिए is should. Should I take snaps? क्या मुझे तस्वीरें लेनी चाहिए? क्या मुझे तस्वीरें लेनी चाहिए? क्या क्वेश्चन. मुझे I, तस्वीरें is photographs, here it is snaps, लेनी is take, चाहिए is should. Okay, thank you for watching my video. You can also watch these videos to improve your Hindi.